It's the new dog park at Tustin Legacy. They still have the old one near where we parked. It's a lot smaller. This new one was opened just a few months ago. Quite elaborate. We would go in there, except that Millie is not really a fan. She's not a dog park fan. She's a people dog. She likes people and finds dogs challenging. And I think the reason she finds dogs challenging is because Millie thinks she's actually human and not a dog. Or at least that's my theory. As you can see, this is a very large and elaborate dog park. Hello. We're here on Father's Day, June 15th, 2025. And Millie is with me because she's one of my kids. It's a fun place. It would be fun for Millie too, if she didn't think she was a human. She might have fun with other dogs, but that's okay. She has lots of fun with me and other people she meets. And occasionally, on rare occasions, she actually gets along with other dogs. Though I'm not sure what she thinks of them, since she thinks she's human. Hello. Good morning. Or good afternoon. I guess it's about afternoon by now. I always have to be careful around here because there are coyotes in the area. Another plane is coming in. Let's see if I can get a look at it. Tustin Legacy Park is the flight at Tustin Legacy is quite elaborate. A lot of trails. They took advantage of the flood control area and use it to plant a lot of greenery and provide a lot of trails for dogs and people. They do have warning signs that during rainy season you want to avoid being down there because it could flood during rainy season. But as you can see, this is not rainy season in Orange County, California. So flooding is not a concern. It is, however, a very warm day, and there's not a lot of shade because the sun's like straight up right now. Oh, another plane. Let's see if I can catch it. Not real sure if I got that plane. Oh. Millie's ready to go back. Millie, ready to go back? Let's get out of the sun and go find a shadier park to hang out. It's a very nice place. It's a very nice place, and there's a lot to it, and there are shady areas. It's just that this time of year, this isn't one of the shady areas. So we gotta get back some more shade. Hold on. The design of their buildings around here. Really cool designs. And some of them, I believe they're building over here. A couple of these buildings are 3 or 4 floors. And we have gone up there, and there's a nice view when you go up to the top floor and look out on the balcony. Alright, I think Millie's ready to head back and cool off in the air conditioning. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it was fairly informative, although I didn't really say much. I'm kind of letting the pictures tell the story. They had the unfortunate situation occur that when they finished these first buildings and were ready to get tenants, bring in tenants and businesses, it was literally April 2020 when COVID hit, and the building sat vacant for almost 2 years before they could finally, things opened back up and they were able to start getting tenants. There are a few tenants. It's filling up little by little, and it's gaining popularity. It's really a cool place, and it's a place that if there's not too much foot traffic and other dogs, you can get away with letting a dog that likes to run loose a chance to do so. Right, Millie? She's 15 years old, and I'd like to think, look for opportunities for her to enjoy herself. So we are about to head back. I think I said that twice already, or 3 times. We're about to head back, get in the shade and the air conditioning. So on Father's Day 2025, June 15th, I will be signing out. I hope you all have a very nice Father's Day and enjoy walking your dogs or taking your people your children, human children, places. Until next time, this is Mike and Millie, and Millie, signing out at the flight at Tustin Legacy. One more plane.